I have 2 eyes. Na na na. Na na na. Na 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 na.
Okay, let me see your work. Okay, now can you read for me your sentence? What did you write?
I have 2 eyes.
Oh, today 你读 have 是对的。再来一次 again.
I have 2 eyes.
I have 2 eyes. 那如果我不要说 2
I
eyes，
have
我可以
2
说什么呢？
Na na na.
一双怎么说
Na na. Na 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 na.
？No, I'm sorry, Miss Dolly.
I'm sorry, Miss Dolly.
I don't
I
know.
do not know.
I do not know. Very good. I have a pair. 你要记住这个，一双就是 a pair. A pair of eyes. I have a pair of eyes. Alright, what's your second sentence? Can you read for me? Miss Dolly can see. Can you read?
I have 2 eyes. My
My
ear
ears are
is
big.
big.
My ears. You didn't say are. You didn't say is. You said my ears.
My ears is big.
You didn't say is. 你没有写 is 啊，你看清楚一点，你写的是
My ears are big.
no bigger, big.
Big.
Very good. Number 3?
My,
Not number 3. The next one. What did you write?
my eyebrow is short.
My eyebrows. 你没有说 is 啊，姑娘。
My eyebrows are short.
又是讲 eyebrows，是 eyebrow。ow。
Eyebrows
My eyebrows are
short.
short. Next.
A big nose.
I have a big nose. Very good. Last one.
I have a
额头怎么说？这个是什么呢
four.
Four. Then
Four.
这个是什么
Forehead.
Yes, that's it. Forehead. I have
I have
a.
a forehead.
通常我不接受这个吧。OK， 不要，没关系。